Hawaasa Students kam jirtu barattoota nagaa keessanii har'a viidiyoo kana keessatti barnoota ji'oogiraafii kutaa 11ffaa waa'ee Kooppan kilaayimeetii fi Giriigar Kooppan kilaayimeetii gaaffii baay'ee fiffilamanii fi qormaata miidii keessan seemisteera tokkoffaa irratti dhufuu danda'an gaaffiiwwan 16 qabadhee isiniif dhiyaadheeraayitii isinis ana waliin qayyabachuudhaan milkoomina keessan akka galmeessistan gamanumaan isin affeera. Kun GO Lesson 17 TUBdha. GO Lesson 17 TUB subscribe gochuudhaan miseensummaa keessan nu waliin akka guddifattan gamanumaan isin affeera. እንደምናችሁ ተማሪዎች ሰላም ናችሁ? ዛሬ የ11ኛ ክፍል ጂኦግራፊ ትምህርት ምዕራፍ 2 ስለ ኮፐን ክላይሜት ክላሲፊኬሽን ለአንደኛ ሴሚስቴር ሚድ ኤግዛም የሚሆን በጣም እየተመራረጡ 16 ጥያቄዎችን በዚህ ቪዲዮ ይዤላችሁ ቀርቤያለሁ። እናንተም ከኔ ጋር በመሆን እያጠናችሁ አመርቂ ውጤት እንድታስመዘግቡ ከወዲሁ ጋብዛችኋለሁ። Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. Question number 1. Which of the following statement is true about the genetic method of climatic classification? A. It is based on simple observation. B. It primarily refers to temperature and precipitation data. C. It considers air masses, circulation systems, and solar radiation. D. It is easier to implement than empirical system. Question number 2. What is a significant drawback of genetic classification system? A. It lacks scientific validity. B. It is too simplistic. C. It is complex to implement and less successful overall. D. It does not consider sunlight distribution. Barattoota gaaffiiwwan kanaaf deebii keessan waraqaa xiqqoo isin cinaa jirtu irratti qabachuudhaan kan qayyabattan keessaa hagam akka yaadattan akka of qortan gamanumaan isin affeera። ተማሪዎች በአጠገባችሁ ካለችው ትንሿ ወረቀት ላይ መልሳችሁን በመያዝ ካጠናችሁት ውስጥ ምን ያህሉን እንደያዛችሁ ለማወቅ ራሳችሁን ፈትኑ። Good. The answer for question number 1 is that genetic method of climate classification considers air masses, circulation systems, and solar radiation. So the correct answer is C. Question number 2. The significant weakness of genetic classification system is it is complex to implement and less successful overall. As a result, the correct answer is again C. Question number 3. Which climate classification system is most commonly used worldwide and focuses on temperature and precipitation? A. Genetic classification. B. Koppen classification. C. Triwarta classification. D. Empirical classification. Question number 4. What key weather factors are considered in Triwarta's classification system? A. Air mass circulation and jet streams. B. Winds, solar radiation, and cloud cover. C. Temperature, precipitation, and water surface effects. D. Temperature extremes and net radiations. Students, what is your answer for question number 3? The most acceptable climate classification in the world is Koppen climate classification due to its simplicity and the correlation between vegetation and the soil. Triwarta's climate classification considers temperature, precipitation, and water surface effects. So the correct answer is again C. Question number 5. Which of the following is not included in the Koppen climate classification system? A. Annual and monthly precipitation. B. Temperature extremes. C. Seasonality of temperature and precipitation. D. climatic vegetation distribution. Question number 6. What makes the Köppen climate classification system widely used? Temperature extreme is not the classification of Köppen climate classification. So the correct answer is B. The second, the Köppen climate classification system widely used due to its simplicity and correlation with vegetation and soil types. Sababni qoqqoodaan qilleensa Köppen addunyaa irratti baay'inaan fudhatama qabaateedhaaf salphaa akkasumas correlationii fi amaloota dhiibbaa biqilootaa fi biyyoon qilleensa irratti qaban giddu galeeffachuudhaan kan ta'edha. የኮፐን ክላይሜት ክላሲፊኬሽን በዓለም በስፋት ጥቅም ላይ የዋለበት ምክንያት አንደኛ ቀላል በመሆኑ፣ ሁለተኛ የእጽዋቶችና የአፈር ኮሪሌሽን መጠቀሙ ነው። Question number 7. Which factor is not one of the 5 major Köppen climate types? A. Tropical climate, which is denoted by capital A. B. Subtropical climate, which is replaced by capital F. C. Polar climates, which is represented by capital E. D. Dry climate, which is denoted by capital B. Question number 8. Which climate type is governed by dryness rather than temperature? A. Polar climate, which is denoted by E. B. Microthermal climate, which is denoted by capital D. C. Dry climate, which is denoted by capital B. D. Mesothermal climate, which is denoted by capital C. Question number 9. Why was a new climatic group, capital H, introduced in the Köppen system? A. To address the climate of extremely arid regions. B. To account for climate variation in mountainous areas. C. To include transitional zones between biomes. D. To represent areas with no vegetation. The correct answer for question number 7 is subtropical climate is not one of the 5 major climate types. So the correct answer is B. Question number 8. Dry climate is governed by dryness rather than temperature. So the correct answer is C. Dry climate qilleensa gogaa qubee guddaa baadhaan kan bakka bu'e gogiinsa irratti hundaa'uudhaan kan qoodamedha. Tempereechara caalaa jechuudha. Whereas maayikirootermaalii fi meezootermaal warra jedhaman tempereecharatti hundaa'anii yoo ta'u, poolaar kilaayimeet kan jedhu ammoo altituudii irratti hundaa'etu. ስምንተኛ ጥያቄ በደረቃማነቱ እየተመደበው የኮፐን የአየር ምደባ ድራይ ክላይሜት በካፒታል ቢ እየተወከለው ነው። ሌሎቹ ቢ እና ዲ ቴምፕሬቸር ላይ ተመስርተው የተመደቡ ናቸው። ፖላር ክላይሜት የሚለው ግን በመሬት አቀማመጥ ላይ መሰረት በማድረግ የተመደበ ነው። The correct answer for question number 9 is H in Köppen climate classification indicates for climate variation in mountain areas. Jijjiirama qilleensaa naannoo gaarreenii agarsiisuudhaaf jecha kan yaadamee fudhatamedha. Sirna qoodinsa qilleensa Köppen keessatti ሃይላንድ ዮኪን ኤች kan jennu jechuudha. በኮፐን ክላይሜት ክላሲፊኬሽን ውስጥ ካፒታል ኤች ሃይላንድ የተወሰደበት ዓላማ በተራራማው አካባቢ የአየር ንብረት መለዋወጥን ለማመላከት ነው። ሶ ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር ኢዝ ቢ። Question number 10. Which of the following Köppen climate type is characterized by an average temperature of the warmest months, which is exceeding 10 degrees Celsius, and the coldest months dropping below -3 degrees Celsius? A. Mesothermal climate. B. Microthermal climate. C. Polar climate. D. Tropical climate. Question number 11. What is a significant limitation of Köppen-Geiger classification? A. It does not account for precipitation patterns. B. It excludes vegetation data. C. It does not consider rising greenhouse gas levels. D. It ignores temperature variation. Microthermal climate, which denoted by letter D in Köppen climate classification, is characterized by average temperature of the warmest months exceeding or greater than 10 degrees Celsius and the coldest months dropping below -3. So the correct answer is B. Question number 11. Köppen-Geiger classification does not consider the rising greenhouse gas levels. Dadhabbiin sirna qooddaa qilleensaa Geiger Köppen waa'ee dabaluu greenhouse gaasii xiyyeeffannoo keessa galchuu dadhabuu isaati. የግሪገር ኮፐን የጥናት ድክመቱ ኦር እጥረቱ የግሪን ሃውስ ጋስ መጠን እየጨመረ መምጣቱን እና ተጽዕኖውን አለማካተቱ ነው። Question number 12. What does the second order subdivision F in the Köppen system signify? A. Frozen climate. B. Dry summer climate. C. Wet all year. D. Tropical monsoon climate. Question number 13. True desert classified under the Köppen second order subdivision by A. Capital S. B. Capital T. C. Capital W. D. Capital F. Question number 14. Which climate type has year-round precipitation and a minimal temperature variation? A. Tropical monsoon climate, which is indicated by capital A small m. B. Tropical wet climate, capital A small f. C. Tropical wet and dry climate, capital A small w. D. Arid desert climate, B capital W capital small h. Okay, wet all year is the second subdivision, which is represented by F in Köppen climate system. So the answer for question number 12 is C. True desert classified under the Köppen second order subdivision by capital W, which is C. Whereas tropical wet climate, A capital F small, is a climate type which has year-round precipitation and a minimal temperature variation. So the correct answer is B. Question number 15. Which of the following climates is characterized by a prolonged dry season in winter? Waqtii bonaa keessa baay'ee gogaa ta'uudhaan qilleensi beekamu isa kam? በበጋ ጊዜ በጣም ደረቃማ በመሆን የሚታወቀው የቱ ነው? A. Tropical wet climate. B. Tropical monsoon climate. C. Tropical wet and dry climate. C. Mesothermal climate. Question number 16. Which primary Köppen-Geiger climate type has subdivision of small h for hot and small k for cold? A. Tropical A. B. Dry. C. Microthermal. D. Polar. The correct answer for question number 15 is tropical wet and dry climate is known by having a prolonged dry season in winter. So the correct answer is C. Question number 16. Köppen-Geiger climate type has subdivision of H for hot and K for cold is dry. So the correct answer is B.
chaanaalii keessan Geolesson 17 Tube waan daawwattaniif galatooma. Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalachuun sila gobanyaachuu አመሰግናለሁ። Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalii milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu